My teammate and I worked on a company called All Smiles. This was a company, and we were tasked to globalize their brand through a simulation project. And we looked at different financial analysis such as GDP, GDP per capita, population over the poverty line, GDP growth, low manufacturing, and access to safe water. After reviewing those, we concluded that even though China was not the highest score of the market we would enter, they did have the largest population and the highest GDP. We also chose Japan and India because they were so close in proximity and have the largest economies in that region. We wanted to stay in China for the first 4 years, and that was to make sure that our main focus was that we wanted to stay in one country and guarantee success in that country. Our first production plant was in China. That was based off the idea of nearshoring, where our local plant still ran in the U.S. Although we produced and sold large quantities in China, we experienced trouble keeping our brand equity high when we expanded into Japan and India. We tried to increase SKUs in order to ensure every consumer's needs were met and adjust each MSRP, and this ended up bringing some growth into our brand. India and Japan sold 169.7 million units, which is a good version to push All Smile to continue to stay in Japan and India. As a team, we did a great job expanding our brand globally. According to comparisons, we were one of the top sellers, which was great to see. Experience has taught us a lot about where we need to allocate our resources and the thought process that goes into working into an international market. The simulation helped us see real-world results within the simulation, which permitted us to think strategically.